This is a final video to fix your PS or Xbox controller not working Lies of P, so you can finally master your parries and defeat the bosses of Krat. Are you facing a frustrating situation where your controller is plugged in, but the game only responds to your keyboard and mouse, or the buttons are doing completely the wrong things? This problem occurs because Lies of P has a strict input priority system that often gets confused by background apps or virtual controller drivers that create a digital conflict. Most tutorials on YouTube tell you to reinstall the entire game, or buy a specific adapter, which is a massive waste of time and money, when your hardware is working perfectly fine. Here at Rexish, we know you want to get into the action right now without any technical headaches. I have a secret easy trick that involves disabling the Steam input override and closing any hidden overlay apps that are hijacking your controller signal. This method clears the digital path and forces the game to recognize your hardware as a primary input device instantly. It is the fastest way to fix unresponsive buttons and laggy movement without having to touch your game files or registry. Rexish is all about finding the simplest shortcuts to solve these common gaming bugs, so you can spend more time playing and less time in the menus. This fix works for both the Steam and Game Pass versions and handles the error for PS4, PS5, and Xbox controllers alike. Once you apply this quick refresh, your controller will be recognized perfectly and your gameplay will be buttery smooth. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly which settings to toggle and how to clear your controller cache, just leave a comment below.